lesson to be started from today is tsunami, which is the second lesson of your textbook.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yes, something very terrible, something very adverse happened in 2004, which is almost 16 years ago. It's a past memory, but the memory is still alive in the minds of many.
So this chapter actually reminds us that how all the how mans are creating their own environment by cutting all the trees, and due to global warming, these natural disasters occur a lot often,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
in whole the world.
yes, 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 yes. Good, 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 good. See, if nature causes any harm to us in one or the other way, we are ourselves responsible for that. Deforestation is a big cause. Global warming is a big cause. Yes, there are reasons where we can hold ourselves responsible for this. But let us see what has been given in this lesson.
So may I read?
People who have suffered that catastrophe still remember it. Many members of their families have lost their lives, and the data that has been given somewhere says that in all about 2,30,000 people died when this tsunami struck. It was not only in India, there were many countries that were affected.
Well, and
The epicenter of the
so US also, so Thailand
earthquake,
also.
where it started, was in Indian Ocean, and so it is considered as Indian Ocean tsunami. But it has affected so many countries, and it has destroyed the communities residing on the coastal
But it
areas,
affected
coastal regions
24
of so many
countries, sir.
countries. Yes,
But it
beta,
affected
yes. It
24
has,
countries.
yes, affected so many countries. And that is why the number of deaths is such big. Okay, now it is 2-6. So, first of all, let us
So
go
may
for
I read?
attendance. Just a minute, beta.
Okay, sir.
Before we start reading this lesson or before we start doing this, I would like to show the screen where the names are visible, the names of those who are present. Okay. Akhil, what can you see on the screen?
Sir, Excel.
Okay. Now, this is the list of the students who are present right now. Just check your name if it is there. If someone is present but the name is missing, let me know. Check your names, all of you. My name is also there because I am also
Yes,
in
sir.
the list of participants. So,
Sir,
including
Ninanshu
you,
Sharma is not written.
just a minute. Yes. Whose name is not there?
Ninanshu Sharma.
Have you just joined?
Sir, Muskan Dhakad also not there.
Why is Muskan Dhakar not there? Joining on the
Sir, with
account of one
Vedanti.
another student. Yes, fine. But what about Ninansha Sharma? Beta, have you joined just now? Ninansha Sharma, I'm talking to you. Unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Ah. When I clicked for the attendance, it was 2-6. Probably you got inside after 2-6. That's why your
Yes,
name
sir.
is not there. Fine. Now I have added. I'll take attendance once again after some time whenever I
Sir,
feel like taking.
230.
230, 235, 239, whenever. Okay. Now I have stopped to present the screen And before we begin with this lesson named Tsunami, I would like you to see a short video that tells us how was the tsunami, a little bit of good and necessary information about it. Yes, things are disturbing. It shows the destruction, but there are few things that you need to know because it is there in your lesson. So you need to know all that. Okay. I'm sharing it. Agarwal ji will tell me if the screen is visible.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Agarwal, can you see
Sir,
the YouTube
YouTube.
page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now is it full screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, voice is not clear, sir. Sir, voice is not clear.
Beta, the voice is like this in the video only. We cannot improve this. Okay.
Sir, video is paused.
I have paused the video.
Yes, sir.
Wasn't it very disturbing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you would have seen the kind of destruction it has caused. That short video of 2.5 minutes has given us a little idea that how would have been the life or how difficult it would have been to save the lives at that time when all this occurred, when all this happened, when this catastrophe came. People were running in every direction to save their lives. People were holding on, clinging on to trees. But the tree that they were holding on to save their lives were also uprooted. Sanjay Thakur, please mute your mic, beta. Okay. So this was the situation at that time. I just wanted you to go through it, to see it, and to understand that how terrible it was. Now, I would like you to see a video that is there about this lesson on Tata Class Edge.
Okay, sir.
The tsunami. The story recounts a few incidents of bravery and quick thinking during the tsunami of 2004. Ignatius lived on Kachal Island in the Andamans with his family. On 26 December 2004, his wife felt the tremors and woke him. The family ran outside. In the confusion, 3 of his children ran in one direction with him. The other 2 children, his wife and father-in-law, ran in another direction and were swept away by the towering waves. Sanjeev was a policeman on Kachal Island. He saved his family and then jumped into the water to rescue the cook's wife, but they were both swept away. The giant waves also swept Meghna, her parents and more than 70 other people into the sea. She floated in the sea for 2 days, holding on to a wooden door. She was brought to the shore by a wave. When Meghna was rescued, she was walking on the seashore in days. Little Almas and her family were visiting Nankauri Island for Christmas when the tsunami struck. While they were running from the waves, her father and grandfather were swept away. Then her mother and aunts were swept away too. Almas climbed onto a floating log of wood and fainted. She woke up in a hospital. Almas was so traumatized that she refuses to talk about the incident. British schoolgirl Tilly Smith and her family were on a vacation in Thailand. Tilly was standing with her mother on the beach when they saw the sea rising and foaming. Tilly remembered the video of a tsunami that her geography teacher had shown in the class 2 weeks before. She screamed and asked her family to run away from the beach. She was so insistent that many other tourists also left the beach with them. They ran to the third floor of the hotel and stayed safe. It is believed that animals possess a sixth sense or have more acute hearing that helps them hear or feel Earth's vibration when we cannot. Although 1.5 lakh people were killed when the tsunami struck coastal India and Sri Lanka, the animal casualties were far less. In Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, people observed elephants running away from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit. One Sri Lankan man attributes his safety to his dogs, which refused to go for their daily run on the beach that day.
The voices, sir, really, sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Yes, beta. I also realized that the voice was audio quality was not good. This could be because of some internet issue. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there must be some technical reason, because when we are speaking, I could hear you very clearly. You can also hear me clearly. But there was some problem with the video. Earlier for the first video, I thought that it could have been that way only. But in the second video also, there was some hitch in the sound quality. So that could be some technical reason. Fine. But I hope you understood, because there were captions also. Everything was written on top. Have you
Yes,
seen
sir.
it carefully?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Good. ठीक है ठीक है. Now, Akhil, what can you see on the screen?
Sir, the book, sir. There are book.
Okay.
There are book PDF, sir.
Yes, sir. Good. Now, see, on the very first page of your textbook, a map of Andaman and Nicobar Islands has been given.
Yes, sir.
This is world map at the center, and in this world map you can see here, this is India, and right to the east, southern east direction of India, you will find here. Can you see this arrow pointing over here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. This arrow shows us the location of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Now see here. This is the enlarged view of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the names of those small islands over there have been mentioned. I'm just trying to enlarge it a little bit. Yes. Now can you see it clearly on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one, the one on the upper side, is
Yes, sir.
the group of
North
Andaman
Andaman.
Islands. Yes. This complete thing. This complete thing is the group of Andaman Islands, and this complete landmass is the group of Nicobar Islands. Okay. Now see the names of the parts, because these names will be mentioned in the lesson, in the article that we are going to read. So you need to know where all these places are situated. On top, this region, this particular area is North Andaman. Then this region, this one is Middle Andaman. Then here it is Lower Andaman, and this is Port Blair. Here, Port Blair means the capital. Then this sea is called Andaman Sea, Then Little Andaman. What's going on, bhai?
सर संजय धाकर का माइक
Beta, mic mute kar lo. I have allowed only one student. I forgot his name.
Sir Akhil Agrawal.
Ankit.
Sir
हाँ
Akhil.
हाँ ठीक है. To keep his mic on, rest everybody needs to keep it mute. If you want to say something, unmute and speak to me. Otherwise, keep it mute. Okay, it causes lots of disturbances. Have you seen these 4 parts? 1, 2, 3, and 4th part. North,
sir.
Middle, Lower, and Little Andaman. And the capital
Yes, sir.
city, Port Blair.
Port Blair.
है ना? And then this sea is called Andaman Sea. Now the lower part, come to the southern side. This is Nicobar Islands. Nicobar Islands में कौन-कौन से islands हैं? This place is, this particular place, this city is called Car Nicobar. And then this is Tarasa, Non-Cowrie, Cachel, Little Nicobar, and Great Nicobar. This is Great Nicobar, this is Little Nicobar, this place is Non-Cowrie, this place is Cachel, this place is Tarasa, and this is Car Nicobar. Okay, now you will, in this lesson, come across these names more. These names will be heard more, all these names. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm
Okay,
reducing the
sir.
size. I'm reducing the size little bit so that whole page can be visible. Yes. Now, other than Mr. Agrawal, I want somebody else to read what is given here on this page.
Sir, Chahit
Not-
Shrimal. Chahit.
सर सर
Sir,
सर
Chahit.
प्रखरुद्दीन
Sir, Chahit Shrimal.
Okay,
Sir,
Shrimal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, read it.
Now read the sentences below. Rewrite the incorrect ones after correcting the mistakes. Cachel is an island. It is a part of the Andaman group of Iceland. Nancowry is an island in Nicobar group. Cachel and Nancowry are more than 100 miles apart. Hint: the scale of the map is given. The Andaman and Nicobar Island are to the west of India. The Nicobar Island are to the north of Andaman Island.
Okay, thank you, beta. See, what was the instruction? Look at the map of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands given here. Now read the sentences below. Rewrite the incorrect ones after correcting the mistakes. That means there are some mistakes in all of these sentences. May not be in all of these sentences, but in some of these sentences. Now you are supposed to find out the mistakes, but this child himself has made some mistakes. What were those mistakes in reading?
Sir,
First of all,
Iceland.
Yes.
सर you said sir
Yes.
Iceland sir
Correct. Beta, Shrimal, do not pronounce this word as Iceland. It is island. S is silent, okay? It is island. Iceland is also a term, but the spelling for that is Iceland. That is Iceland. It's a different place. But here we are reading island, a small piece of earth, a small landmass surrounded by water from all its sides is an island. Okay. So first statement. Now see the map and let me know. Or would you do it by yourselves and
Yes,
tell me
sir.
your answers in the next class?
Yes,
Because
sir.
see, I'll help you out. First one is Cachel is an island. Now where is Cachel in the map? Here.
Sir,
Here.
Nicobar
है ना?
are at the Nicobar.
Sir, Nicobar Island.
This I have highlighted in green color. Can you see this on the
Yes,
screen?
sir, yes, sir.
yes sir
Here it is Cachel. Now you will have to see this whether Cachel is an island or not. Is it a landmass that is
Sir, it is
surrounded
an
by
island,
water?
sir.
So it's
If
island.
it is an island, yes.
Sir,
If
it
it
is
is an
island.
island, fine. If it is not, then you will have to correct the statement that it is not. If it is island, fine. Simply write true in front of this. So can I expect everybody to go through these 6 statements and read this map properly and find out whether these statements are correct or not? Can you all do that?
Okay, sir.
yes sir
Yes.
yes
So
sir
do it right in your textbook itself and show me in the next class. Okay?
okay sir
Chalo. Now let us start reading. See this picture. This is a depiction of the destruction that the tsunami has caused. Now this lesson is divided into few parts. Okay,
The 4 parts.
part 1, then we have part 2, then part 3. That's it. There are 3 parts. Okay. So first part tells about few stories, means few things that have happened to some of the families. Then part 2 tells us about the story of Tilly Smith. This was the girl in that video of Tata classes. You would have seen that this was the girl who saved many lives. So the second part talks about Tilly Smith, and the third part, this one, talks about the sixth sense in animals. How do animals recognize an approaching danger, an approaching disaster, and how can they save their lives and others? If they follow what animals are doing, then others' lives are also saved. So the 3 parts talk about 3 different things. What is the first part talking about? About
So it talks
few-
about the families, sir. The families which are
yes,
affected
families that have suffered.
by the
Yes,
tsunami.
yes. Good. And the second part talks about what Tilly Smith did and how she saved the lives of many people. And third part talks about sixth sense
Animal
in
sixth
animals.
sense of animals.
Yes. Okay. Now, everybody can mute mic. I want one student only to unmute for reading. Who will read?
Sir Akhil Agrawal.
The Prakhar Modi.
Prakhar Modi. Okay, Prakhar Modi.
Sir
Chalo Prakhar
Sanjay.
Modi. Prakhar Modi, I said first, then I'll call second somebody else.
A tsunami is a very large and a powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and a part of India such as Andaman and Nicobar Island and Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did.
Wait, I have highlighted 2 things here. What is that? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First thing I have highlighted is powerful wave. So what is a
Powerful
tsunami?
waves.
Tsunami is
Powerful
a
A powerful wave,
Powerful wave.
huge
so
and
which is caused
powerful
by earthquakes.
wave. Yes. Caused by earthquakes. So first thing that you need to know and need to remember is this. Second thing, the tsunami that has hit in Indian Ocean we are talking about, and the date was 26th of December 2004. This is the
Oh.
second information that you need to remember. Okay, what is a tsunami and the date when it struck Indian coasts. Okay, so this date also needs to be remembered. Now, Prakhar, continue reading from here.
Okay, sir. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Sorry, sir, I can't now pronounce it.
No problem. Would somebody like to try? How will it be pronounced?
Sir, yes, sir. Archipelago.
Sir, I think it is written archipelago.
Lago.
Okay, I would like everybody to try once.
Sir, archipelago.
Archipelago.
Yes, sir,
Archipelago.
archipelago.
Sir Archipelago.
Archipelago.
Sir Archipelago.
Archipelago.
The archipelago.
Continue trying. I'm going to show you an interesting thing.
The archipelago.
I'm going to show you an interesting thing.
The archipelago.
Archipelago.
Close. You are very close.
Archipelago.
Tell me the spelling.
Archipelago.
Amphitheater.
The archipelago. Archipelago.
Now, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a picture of Hawaiian archipelago. Now, see, I'm showing, just listen to it very carefully. I'm playing the pronunciation, correct pronunciation.
Archipelago. Archipelago. Archipelago.
Have you got it?
Archipelago.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Archipelago.
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 Yes.
Archipelago.
And can you see what is an archipelago?
Archipelago.
What is it?
Yes, sir.
A
Sir, it
group.
is a group of small islands on an area of a sea in which there are many small islands.
Very nice. Now let's come back to the lesson. Yes, Prakhar Modi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Catchill. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremor stopped, they saw a sea rising in the chaos and confusion.
Chaos.
Two of
Chaos.
chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved.
Okay. Now tell me, the question is for whole class. Who was Ignatius?
Sir, he is a manager of a cooperative society.
Cooperative,
Manager of a
cooperative society officer, manager,
Manager of cooperative society.
Good, good, good. Fine. Now, at what time did his wife feel or experience those
6
jerks?
a.m.
6 a.m. 6 a.m.
At 6 a.m. Now, when she felt those tremors, what did she do?
She woke
She
up.
woke up.
She woke
She woke up
Ignatius,
himself.
her husband. Okay. Now, fine. When his wife, now listen to me, don't say. Okay, listen. When his wife experienced the tremors, she woke her husband up. This was the first thing she did. Now, what
Yes,
was
sir.
the first thing that her husband did?
Sir, he put
Take the television and put it down the
That
so that it would not fall and break.
under the table.
took his television set off its table and put it down
And
on the
put
ground.
it down. Put it down.
Sir, take attendance.
So, the most important thing for him at that moment was to keep the television down. Is it right? Is the TV most important thing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
He should
family.
They thought when the tremors and all will be calmed, when everything will be settled, then we'll have to come back and how will we watch TV? So it was most important for them to save the TV first. Or should they have tried to save themselves first?
Themselves first.
Satish,
Themselves first.
Themselves.
Yes. Okay. Now after doing this, they came out, they rushed out, but everybody ran in different directions. Means there were two children also in the family. They held the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother, Nanaji and Mamaji. They held the hands of those and then they came out. But what happened?
Sir, they were swept
only
away.
they three are left, sir.
They were never seen again.
Yes, sir.
Those children
But swept
and
away.
Nanaji and Mamaji, nobody was seen again. His wife was also swept away. So, only three other children who came with him were saved. When they ran in opposite directions, those who ran in the direction where Ignatius was running, they were all saved. Remaining means how many? One Nanaji, one Mamaji, two children, and one mother. 5 people were washed
Swept
away.
away.
Okay, so they died. They could not survive. Only these 4 persons survived. This is first instance of Ignatius's family. It is 2:38. I'm stopping to share, and
Sir, take attendance.
yes, and then I'll take attendance, and then we shall say Sairam to each other. Taken. Attendance taken again. So it's 2:39 already. So after 1 minute we are leaving. See, we have started this lesson. We have seen a very illustrative video on YouTube. We have seen a video that explains the lesson on Tata Class Edge also. That was the complete explanation of the lesson. So you know everything that is there in the lesson. We have started reading it also. We have started and we have read the first part of this. I have given you a little small assignment of doing those 6 sentences. Okay, this much you will do and read the remaining lesson because the next class, Mike, Akhil, turn your mic off because it is echoing. Turn your mic off. So in the next class, I will ask 1 or 2 students to summarize what you have read after this, because the remaining part of the lesson is very easy to understand. There is nothing difficult. If you go through it, you will understand. So I will ask 2 students to explain some part of the lesson that you have read. Is there anyone who will take the initiative to read and explain it?
Sir, Prakhar.
Okay, 3 students. Just a minute. 3 students have initiated. First, Bhargav, Modi, and Akhil Agarwal. These 3 students have initiated first. Okay, Bhargav, क्या नाम है इसका? Prakhar Modi and Akhil Agarwal. These 3 students will do it, and other students can ask questions to them in the next class. To ask questions, to prepare questions, you need to read lesson as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So other students will be allowed to ask questions to these 3 children. Okay, it's good thing we have 3 parts in the lesson, and 3 students have raised hands. So can I divide these 3 parts in among these 3 students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A for
Yes,
Akhil
sir.
will take part 1. A for Akhil will take part 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now Bhargav,
Yes,
unmute.
sir.
You will take part 2.
Yes, sir.
And Prakhar Modi, you will take part 3.
Okay, sir.
Got it? I have divided parts also. So you read that part, summarize it properly here in the class, and other students will be asking questions. You will
Sir,
have to
can you
answer.
make a PowerPoint and present it?
If you wish, you can.
Okay, sir.
If you wish, you can. I'm not asking you to make, but if you want to, I will allow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam,
Sairam, sir.
Sairam.
Thank you.
Sairam.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam, sir.
Start leaving. I will leave at
Thank you,
last.
sir.